Welcome to our comprehensive review of the top 5 best blender for smoothie in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of each blender, providing you with the information you need to make an informed purchase. But stick around till the end because we have a surprise blender that has outperformed all expectations in our tests. It's a game changer you wouldn't want to miss. So whether you're a smoothie enthusiast or a culinary expert, this video is tailored just for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender. This isn't just any blender, it's a powerhouse that's going to revolutionize your kitchen experience. The first thing that sets the K400 apart is its unique 3-part blending system. This system is composed of a vortex-creating rib jar design, an asymmetric blade, and the IntelliSpeed motor control. This intelligent motor control can automatically sense the contents and adjust the speed to ensure optimal blending. It's like having a professional chef right in your blender. The K400 doesn't shy away from tough ingredients. Whether it's the fibrous kale or the hard almonds, this blender handles them with ease. It's designed to quickly turn whole foods into smoothies, making your morning routine or post-workout recovery that much easier and healthier. One of the most dreaded parts of cooking is the cleanup, but with the K400, that's not a problem. It features a self-clean cycle that makes cleaning up as easy as pressing a button. Just add water and a drop of soap to the jar, run the self-clean cycle, and your blender is as good as new. The K400 puts you in control with its variable speed dial. This feature allows you to easily create a range of textures, from smooth purees to chunky salsas. Plus, it comes with 3 preset recipe programs: Ice Crush, Icy Drink, or Smoothie. So whether you're making a frozen margarita or a green detox smoothie, the K400 has got you covered. The K400 is more than just a blender. It's a versatile kitchen tool that can be expanded with additional accessories. The 6 ounces, small batch jar expansion pack is perfect for small servings, while the 16 ounces personal blender jar expansion pack is great for on-the-go smoothies. These accessories are sold separately. In conclusion, the KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender is more than just a blender. It's a versatile, powerful, and intelligent kitchen tool that can elevate your blending experience. Whether you're a smoothie lover, a culinary enthusiast, or someone who just loves to cook, this blender is a fantastic addition to your kitchen. Number 4. The Breville Super Q Blender. This isn't just any blender, it's the next generation of commercial super blenders. It's designed to make your blending experience super easy and super fun. So, let's get started. The first thing you'll notice about the Super Q Pro is its power. It's equipped with a robust 1800-watt /2.4 EP motor. This isn't just any motor, it's the highest possible motor rating in the market. With a tip speed of 186 miles per hour under load, it delivers fast texture results. It's like having a mini tornado right in your kitchen, ready to blend anything you throw at it. One of the standout features of this blender is its 5 preset functions. These functions are designed for one-touch operation, making your blending experience as smooth as the smoothies it makes. Whether you're making a dairy smoothie, crushing ice for a refreshing drink, stirring ingredients for a soup, boosting the speed for a quick blend, or fine-tuning the texture with the "a bit more" function, it's all just a button away. The Super Q Pro doesn't stop at presets. It offers 12 speed settings, allowing you to easily select and optimize texture for smoother and softer results. From natural nut butters to creamy dips, this blender gives you the flexibility to create a wide range of textures and flavors. The precision speed control dial can be used in conjunction with a built-in 6-minute timer that will auto-stop the blend. This means you can set it, forget it, and come back to perfectly blended ingredients every time. Despite its power, the Super Q Pro is surprisingly quiet. Thanks to its unique fan and motor technology, it reduces operating noise for an improved user experience. It's high performance that's easier on the ear. In conclusion, the Breville Super Q Blender is more than just a blender. It's a versatile and powerful tool that can elevate your kitchen game. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast or a home chef, this blender is worth checking out. It's super quick, easy to use, and surprisingly quiet. So if you're serious about your smoothies and your kitchen appliances, the Super Q blender could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Number 3. The Vitamix A3500 Blender, a revolutionary appliance that's transforming the way we blend. The A3500 is equipped with 5 program settings specifically designed for smoothies, hot soups, dips and spreads, frozen desserts, and self-cleaning. These settings are not just convenient, but they also ensure consistent results every time. But that's not all. The A3500 pairs with the Vitamix Perfect Blend app, which unlocks an additional 17 programs and over 500 recipes. This means you have a world of culinary possibilities right at your fingertips. The A3500 features sleek and modern touchscreen controls. Not only do these controls enhance the aesthetic appeal of the blender, but they're also incredibly easy to clean. The blender operates at 120 V, 50 to 60 S, 12 amps, and comes with a 4-foot cord, making it suitable for most kitchen setups. The A3500 puts you in the driver's seat with its variable speed control and pulse feature. These features allow you to manually fine-tune the texture of any recipe, giving you complete control over your blending experience. Whether you want a chunky salsa or a silky smoothie, the A3500 has got you covered. The A3500's motor base is equipped with built-in wireless connectivity. This feature enables the base to read the container size you've chosen and automatically adjust program settings and maximum blending times accordingly. You can add a range of compatible container sizes, allowing you to build a customized blending system designed to fit your specific needs. The A3500 also comes with a built-in timer. This feature helps you avoid over or under processing your custom recipes. Simply set the timer to the length of your blend, and the machine will turn off automatically when the time is up. In the box, you'll find the motor base, a low-profile 64 ounces, container, a low-profile classic tamper, and the Simply Blending Cookbook. The Vitamix A3500 blender is not just a blender, it's a comprehensive solution for all your blending needs. So, are you ready to take your blending game to the next level? Let's get blending. Cheers to a healthier lifestyle. Number 1. The Ninja Foodi S201 Power Blender. This isn't just your average blender, it's a 3-in-1 marvel that crushes, processes food, and even makes dough. First off, the versatility of this blender is truly impressive. It's not just for smoothies, you can also use it for food processing and dough making. Imagine the culinary possibilities. From homemade pizza dough to finely chopped veggies for your stir fry, this blender has got you covered. Next, let's talk about the Smart Torque Cutie. This feature ensures the blender powers through heavy loads without stalling. No need to stop, stir, or shake. Whether you're crushing ice for a refreshing smoothie or blending up ingredients for a hearty soup, the Smart Torque Cutie keeps things moving smoothly. Another great feature is the variable speed control. Start slow and ramp up as needed for precision chopping and mixing. It gives you complete control over your blending. Whether you need a gentle blend for soft fruits or a powerful blitz for hard nuts, this blender lets you adjust the speed to suit your needs. The Power Blender and Processor Pitcher is a game changer. Crush, chop, and make dough all in one pitcher. It's all about convenience. No need to switch between different appliances. This blender does it all. And with a 72 ounces capacity, 64 ounces max liquid capacity, it's perfect for preparing meals for the whole family. Finally, the blender comes with 6 preset Auto IQ programs for one-touch smoothies, frozen drinks, bowls, spreads, chopping, and dough. And the best part, it's dishwasher safe and includes a cleaning brush for hand washing. So not only is it versatile and powerful, but it's also easy to clean. So there you have it, folks. The Ninja Foodi S201 Power Blender is a versatile, powerful, and convenient addition to any kitchen. It's more than just a blender. It's a culinary companion that makes food prep a breeze. The blender for you will depend on your individual needs and budget. Consider how often you plan to use the blender, what types of smoothies you like to make, and how much counter space you have available. Hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Contain product family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.